Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to prepare for maths board exam. Full timetable plus points to keep in mind. Means how to prepare for your maths board exam. Now you are having last you can say from June, July, August, September, October, November, and December up to December 15 you can say you can prepare from this textbook. Then after that, in after December 15 means in December up to 16 to 31, and then Jan and Feb. Here you have to do something extra in this month only. You have to complete your syllabus, then and only then you can get 90% or above that 90% marks in your maths. So for that, first you have to divide the month, remaining month, and then you have to divide the syllabus according to this month. And in this month up to December 15 you should complete your syllabus from NCRT, or you have to complete all your chapters. Then and only then you can revise in the remaining month. And what you have to do in this remaining month, that I will tell you at the last. Now first you have to divide your syllabus in this month. I will tell you that you prepare two chapters every month, two chapters in June, two sometimes. I will tell you two, and in this month you can prepare one. So total 13 chapter you can prepare like this, but you are having total 15 chapter in your syllabus of class 10 maths. So 13 and two chapters. I think one last 15 chapter is probability. That is very easy. And I am telling you approximately you prepare this. So you can take that chapter in any of this month. And second chapter is also very small. So you can take in. So you have to complete your 15 chapter in this month up to December 15. Then you have to do revision in this month. How you have to do revision, that I will tell you at the last. Now how to prepare this two chapters every month, what you have to do. Point number one, what you have to do. When I say two chapters in month means you have to complete this chapter from NCRT, and also you have to revise it from other reference books and other reference material. What you are having, you have to do that two chapters properly. Means NCRT plus reference book or other reference material, whatever you are having. You have to do thorough revision of that any two chapters. That I'm not giving the names because in different school they will tell you, give you different chapters, and you have to give FA1, FA2 or SA1 also. So you have to keep in mind that chapters or syllabus which is given to you, and you have to select two chapters. You have to every month you have to do two chapters perfectly. Means from NCRT also, from reference book. If they ask you from any book, you should know. So every month you have to complete any two chapters, and then means thorough revision of that chapters. Then point number two, yes, how you have to practice for this NCRT and reference book. You have to do written work. I had seen generally students, they how they practice. They look at the sums and they say, this I know, this I know, this I know, this I know. If you know, still you have to do written practice. Only written practice will tell you where or small mistake, where you are doing mistakes, or you know it properly or not. So you have to every time you have to do written practice only. I think in 1 month 30 days you can do 5 to 6 sums every day, regularly 5 to 6 sums. So next point is that only regular practice. I had seen students after completion of one chapter, they start practicing for that chapter. Wrong. Every day, if teacher is teaching only five sums or four sums or three sums in class, then that sums you have to revise on that day only at your place. Or you are doing in coaching also, that all sums you have to do regular practice or regular revision of that sums. If you will not do regularly, if whole chapter will be completed and then you will try, then you are not going to solve all the sums. So if you have to do regular practice only. Then point number 4, take your own test. Now what is this take your own test, sir? Actually, from many different sides, or you will get different test papers of 10 marks or 20 marks. After completion of any chapter, you try to take your own test. This will help you a lot. Why? Because here you will rectify your mistake. You have to take your own test and you have to check by yourself. Check yourself. This will help you that at what point you are making mistakes. This is the basic thing you have to keep in mind. I had seen in test also, when we are taking test in school also, students are not finding where they had done mistake. Your main point to see the paper is to find out where you are making mistakes. If you are making mistakes at some point, you have to keep in mind that at this point I am making mistakes, and next time I don't have to do mistake here. So that point you have to keep in mind. Now, question point number 5, always try to find out the mistake and keep that mistake in mind. That I had told you here only. So I'm not writing. And at last, what you have to do in this last 2.5 months. Actually, in my school, we are completing 40 paper set with solution. Every minimum 40. My intelligent students are doing 60 also. Some students are doing 50 also, but minimum 40 paper sets. Because what I had seen, that when you are doing two chapters, it is very easy and you are getting marks also. But when 15 chapters together coming in a single paper, then generally students are getting confused and they do sums of other chapter in other questions. So please, in this 2.5 month, you have to do paper sets only. You will get paper. Many publications are giving you paper set books also, and on net also you will get previous year paper set. That also you can download and solve. You have to solve that 40 paper set by yourself, and then you have to find out where or in what type of questions you are getting wrong answers, and then you have to rectify your mistakes. And this way, slowly you will come to know that at what point or in what chapter I am not getting correct answer, and slowly you will get good marks after completing this 40 paper set. So this way you have to prepare for your board examination. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such videos. Thank you so much.